Darwin's theory of evolution, once again, is a lie, and in my pursuit to continue to debunk it, did you know that Darwin believed that natural selection selected traits that had the best functional advantage to basically allow a species to survive long enough? But watch Dr. Meyer debunk this in under 2 minutes.
But explain this concept of irreducible complexity.
Right. The case for intelligent design is not so much made in the negative as, well, it's so complex it couldn't have arisen by an undirected process. It's really made in the affirmative by noting features in living organisms that we know from experience are produced by one and only one type of cause. One of those features is digital information. Okay, and that's the argument that I've developed. Mike Behe has developed a separate argument from the presence of a feature that engineers recognize. Engineers sometimes talk about integrated complexity. Right. Behe calls it irreducible complexity. Okay. And that is a feature of systems wherein you have a great number of parts.
Right.
And if you remove any one of those parts, the whole system ceases to function.
Right, so it could not have evolved. It's not a gradual process. It had to be put together or it wouldn't work.
The intermediate stages on the way, he makes famous this little, and I kid you not, it's a rotary engine that's inside the cell wall of bacterium. It's called a bacterial flagellar motor. It's high tech and low life. And it's got it's made of 30 protein parts. It has O-rings, bushings, a drive shaft, a hook-like propeller or a protein that functions like a propeller, and it rotates at 100,000 RPM, can change direction on a quarter turn. It's an amazing machine. And what has been discovered by the biochemists working on this machine is that the 29-part, the 28-part, the 27-part version of this is non-viable. It doesn't perform any function. Darwin said that natural selection selects for functional advantage. It preserves those things that pass on an advantage in the competition for survival. Well, these intermediate stages have no functional advantage, and so you couldn't build this up gradually, and that's a big part of his argument.